System of circles. Part 1.
Hi, hello everyone. For this session, we will discuss new chapter, system of circles. So, what is mean by system of circles? So, here system of circles means the set of two or more circles is called as system of circles. So, here system of circles means the set of two or more circles. So here for example, S is equals to 0. This is any circle. For example, this is x square plus y square is equals to r square. So here x square plus y square equal to r square. So clearly this is any circle if r is equals to 0. Then clearly the circle represents point circle, that is x square plus y square equals to 0. So because of here radius is 0, so this type of circle is called point circle. For example, if r is equals to 1, if r is equals to 1, then the circle is what? X square plus y square is equals to 1. So this is called unit circle. Okay. And this is what? Point circle. For example, if r is equals to 4, then x square plus y square is equals to, you will get 4 square. So this is also a circle. Simply this is real circle. Okay. So here and so on. So the set of all circles is called as system of circles. Okay. So see here, consider the coordinate axis. This is x and y axis. Okay. So this is the point of intersection of two axes, that is origin. So clearly this represents a point circle whose radius is 0. And this circle, your radius is 1, 0. So clear this is called as unit circle. Okay. For example, radius is 2. So this is also another circle whose radius is 2. And so on. So then the set of all these circles is called as system of circles. So this is the concept of system of circles. So next we will discuss angle between two circles. So already you know about angle between two lines. So here this is L1 is equals to 0 be any line, and this is L2 equals 0 be any other line. Then angle between these two lines is theta. So clearly here theta is called angle between two lines. Okay. So for example, two curves are given. See here this is y is equal to f of x curve. Next, this is y is equal to g of x be any other curve. Then how to find the angle between these two curves? So clearly these two are point of intersection of two curves. Suppose this is P and Q. And you have to draw the tangent line at this point of intersection. So either P or Q. So for example, you have to draw the tangent line at the point of intersection Q. So this is the tangent of which curve? Y is equal to g of x curve. And again draw the tangent line at this point to the curve y is equal to f of x. So this is another tangent. Okay. then angle between these two tangents. So see here, this is the angle between two tangent, some theta. So here theta is called as angle between two tangents. So that is the angle between two curves. So clearly from this you can say that angle between two curves defined as angle between two tangents. So clearly angle between two circles is also defined as angle between two tangent at their point of intersection of two circles. So next, angle between two circles. If two circles are intersecting, then only angle between two circles is exist. So here angle between two circles. So here let S and S dash equals to 0 be any two intersecting circles. So here for example, this is S is equals to 0 and this is S dash equals to 0. So here this is S is equals to 0 and this is S dash equals to 0. So clearly these two circles are intersecting at two distinct points. So say P and Q, and you have to draw the tangent line at their point of intersection. So either P or Q. For example, you have to draw the tangent line at this point. So draw the tangent line to the circle S equals to 0. So this is the tangent line. Okay. And again draw the tangent line at this point P to the circle S dash equals to 0. So this is another tangent. Okay. Then angle between these two tangents. Okay. So here angle between these two tangent is theta. Then this theta is called as angle between two circles. Okay. So here here consider any two circles, S and S dash is equals to 0. So this is S is equals to 0 and this is S dash equals 0. So be any two circles. So clearly here P and Q are point of intersection of two circles. And C1, so here C1, C2 are the centers of two circles. Okay. And draw the tangent line at this point. So this is one of the tangent line and this is another tangent line. So then the angle between these two tangent is theta. Here theta is called angle between two circles. Okay. So here let C1 comma C2 are centers of two circles. Okay. And R1 comma R2 are radii of two circles. Okay. And theta is the angle between two circles or two tangents. Okay. So say here join PC1 and PC2. Again join C1 C2. So clearly from figure, see here angle PC1 S angle, that is 90. Okay. And this angle, see here, and angle PSC2, that is so clear this angle is 90 and remove this angle. So clear that is 90 minus theta. Okay. So therefore angle PC1C2 is what? Angle PC1S. See here, angle PC1S plus angle PSC2 plus angle PSC2. So clear, this is 90 and this is 90 minus theta, that is 180 minus theta. So clearly, see here, this is the triangle PC1, C2, and this angle is what? 180 minus theta. And clearly PC1 and PC2 are radii of two circles. So clearly here two sides are known, that is PC1 and PC2 sides are known, and include an angle is known, that is 180 minus theta. So therefore, so clearly from that C1 C2 whole square is equal to PC1 square plus PC2 square minus 2 PC1 PC2 cos 180 minus theta. Okay. So clearly C1 C2 is the distance between two centers of two circles. See here, this is d square is equal to, what is PC1 square? That is radii of first circle, r1 square plus r2 square minus 2r1 r2. See here, cos of 180 minus theta minus cos theta, you will get plus cos theta. So from this, d square minus r1 square plus r2 square divided by 2r1 r2 is equals to cos theta. Okay. So see here, if theta is the angle between two circles, means angle between two tangents. So then cos theta is what? D square minus r1 square plus r2 square by 2r1 r2. Here D is the distance between two centers, and r1 and r2 are radii of two circles. So this is r1 radii and this is r2 radii, and theta is the angle between two circles. Okay. So see here, next one, if theta is the angle between two circles, S and S dash equals to 0. So see here, you know that center of the first circle, that is minus g comma minus f, and r is what? Square root of, that is r1 g square plus f square minus c, and center of second circle, that is minus g dash comma minus f dash, and r2 is what? Square root of g dash square plus f dash square minus c dash. So you know that cos theta formula. So what is that? D square minus r1 square minus r2 square. So divide by 2r1 r2. So this is the angle between two circles formula. Now see here, D is what? Distance between their centers. So see here, find D. So D is equals to C1 C2 distance, that is square root of, so see here, this is minus g dash of minus g. So we will get g minus g dash whole square plus f minus f dash whole square. This is D. Okay, so therefore cos theta is equals to d square, this is g minus g dash whole square plus f minus f dash whole square minus r1 square, that is minus of g square plus f square minus c, and minus of g dash square plus f dash square minus c dash. So divide by r1, 2 times of r1 r2, that is 2 times of square root of g square plus f square minus c into square root of g dash square plus f dash square minus c dash. Okay. So simplify this. So clearly you will get cos theta is equals to, see here, minus of minus c plus c and plus c dash minus 2g dash minus 2f f dash divided by 2r1 r2. So this is the angle between two circles, S equals 0 and S dash equals to 0. So here next definition. Orthogonal circles. See here, two circles S and S dash are said to be orthogonal circles if angle between their tangent is 90 degrees. So see here, two circles are said to be orthogonal if angle between their tangent is 90 degrees. So clear here, two circles are intersecting circles only. Okay, so see here, so clearly these two are intersecting circles. So this is S is equals to 0 and this is S dash equals to 0. So the intersecting points P and Q. Okay, so these two are intersecting circles and these circles are said to be orthogonal if angle between their tangents at this point of intersection is 90 degrees. So see here, this is the one of the tangent and this is another tangent. If the angle between two tangents is 90 degrees, okay, then these two circles are said to be orthogonal circles. So you know that cos theta is what? C plus C dash minus 2GG dash minus 2F F dash divided by 2R1 R2. But here theta is what? 90 degrees because of two circles are orthogonal circles. So that means cos 90 value is 0. So therefore C plus C dash minus 2GG dash minus 2F F dash is equals to 0. So from this 2GG dash plus 2F F dash is equal to C plus C dash. So clearly if two circles are orthogonal circle, so then the condition is what? 2GG dash plus 2F F dash is equal to C plus C dash. See our next note point. If two circles are orthogonal, so see here, this is S is equals to 0 and this is S dash equals to 0. So these two are intersecting circles and these two are orthogonal, means angle between their tangents is 90 degrees. Okay. So in that case, tangent of one circle is passes through the center of other circle, and this is the tangent of which circle? First circle, and this tangent passes through the center of the second circle. Okay. If two circles are orthogonal, then tangent of one circle passes through center of other circle. So this is the note. See our next one. If two circles are intersecting at P and Q, so then the line joining PQ is called common chord of two circles. So see here, this is the two intersecting circles and it intersect at point P and Q. So then the line joining P and Q, okay, the line joining P and Q is called common chord of two circles. So this is the common chord, and whose equation is S minus S dash is equals to 0. So here S is the first circle and S dash is the second circle. So then S minus S dash equals 0 is common chord of two circles. So this is the common chord. So this equation is what? S minus S dash equal 0, and this equation represents a line equation, means linear equation. So see the next third one. If two circles are touch each other. So see here. So here two circles are touch each other at point P. Okay. So then draw the tangent line at this point. So this is the tangent line. Okay. So clearly this tangent line is called common tangent. And whose equation is what? S minus S dash is equals to 0. So this is the common tangent of two circles. So whose equation is S minus S dash equals to 0. So next one. The equation of circle passing through point of intersection of circle S is equals to 0 and line L is equals to 0 is S plus lambda L is equals to 0. Okay. So see here, suppose this is the circle S is equals to 0 and this is the line L is equals to 0. This is S is equals to 0. Then the equation of circle passing through the point of intersection of circle and line. So this is the point of intersection of circle and line. Then the circle passing through the point of intersection of circle and line is what? S plus lambda L is equals to 0. Okay. So this is the fourth note. And fifth one. The equation of circle passing through point of intersection of two circles. Point of intersection of two circles is S plus lambda S dash is equals to 0. So see here. This is the circle S is equals to 0 and this is another circle S dash equals to 0. So these two are intersecting at point P and Q. So then the circle passing through the point of intersection of two circles is what? S plus lambda S dash equals to 0. So these are the 5 note points. So for next session we will discuss more problems.